If I wanted to convert an area from meters to centimeters, how would I do it? Well, I know that the area of this shape, if it's 4 meters by 2 meters, is just 4 times 2. So it's 8, but it's 8 meters squared. And a lot of people would quite commonly say that, what about if I wanted that in centimeters? Well, 8 meters is just 800 centimeters, so it must just be 800 centimeters squared, right? And this is a common problem. The answer is no, it is not the same. The reason it's not the same is because we're talking about meters squared, not just a length. 2 meters is actually 200 centimeters, and 4 meters is 400 centimeters. So then the area in centimeters is length times width, which is now 400 times 200. So you can see that that's very different. This answer is actually going to give me 8 and 4 zeros. So it actually leaves me with 80,000. And now I'm talking about centimeters squared. So 8 meters squared is 80,000 centimeters squared. That's a lot bigger than just 800 centimeters squared. If I wanted to convert from one to the other, meters squared is meters times meters. If I wanted to go to centimeters squared, well, meters to centimeters is 100, and I'm timesing it by meters to centimeters, which is 100, so that actually equals 10,000. So to go from meters squared to centimeters squared, I times by 10,000, as opposed to just adding the zeros to my sign. It's very different because it's squared. What about if volume was the conversion? What about if I had meters cubed? We were talking about an object that was 3 dimensions, and I wanted to go to centimeters cubed. How would I convert it here? Well, meters cubed is meters times meters times meters, right? That's what the cube means. You just times it by itself 3 times. If that wants to go to centimeters, well, meter to centimeter is times it by 100. Meters to centimeters times by 100. Meters to centimeters is times by 100. So to convert from meters cubed to centimeters cubed, I now have to times whatever the number was by 100 times 100 times 100. So that'll give me, if I just count my zeros, 6 zeros and a 1. So that's actually 1,000,000. I need to times a cubic meter by 1,000,000 to get cubic centimeters. That's my conversion rate. So there's a good little table that is given to you that shows how to convert these, but this just helps you understand why is that the case. And often people get confused as to how to convert one to the other. This is a really good basic way of just thinking about why do we do it and how do I not get confused and just go meters times by 100 to get centimeters.